as you can see, I have a pile of computer components here. I have one more on the floor here that I'm going to show you. And then we're going to see how far we can get into putting this motherboard together and go from there. I don't know if you can see that, but Corsair 275R Airflow mid-tower gaming case. I don't know why they say gaming case, but it could be for anything. Alright, let's cut this bad boy open. I think I just cut it on the wrong side. We should cut it open on the bottom. The book. I don't care about the book right now. Oh my goodness. Look at this thing. Look at this thing. See the front. Slide back. I'm trying to rethink my rant about the black power cable with the power supply. Let's pull the chair over. There's a lot more black in it than I was thinking. It's got some Corsair fans in it. They're black. I might, I think, no, I know we might get some white Corsair fans to go in it, maybe some RGB. I'm not decided. Let's see. 4 thumb screws. Set those aside. Don't roll away on me there, bud. We'll set this aside for now. Now, let's see. 1, 2, 3 fans. Looks like my front I/O stuff, maybe. Power LED, front I/O, the power, headphone jack, mic, USB, and obviously reset. We have magnetic dust filter on the top here. That's pretty cool. Vertical mounts. I'm thinking maybe we should get a vertical mount for this. What the hell is it called? A riser cable. Jeez. We're gonna get a riser and vertically mount the GPU. I wanna be able to see that wonderful looking graphics card we got going on here. If you look down here, Um, uh, pull down. Dust filter for the power supply fan, which is good because we're going to try to put the fan down. All right. I believe this is just pull off here. Come on. There we go. Got another magnetic dust filter. Voila! A couple more thumb screws. That one looks a little fret. Took a lot of YouTubers' advice and got me an iFixit toolkit. iFixit for unruly thumb screws that don't want to come off. And back panel removed. Set that aside. So there's the basement, which is funny. I'm in the attic of my house right now doing this video. So we have two 2.5 SSD trays here. You got two spots for hard drives, mechanicals. Thinking we're gonna take that drive bay out, because we're gonna use SSDs in this, and I want the space. Now that distraction's over with, I do gotta say there's not much of the cable management options as some of the higher end cases. Now this one was only, I think, 79 bucks on Amazon. But I think it looks good. I don't know how many times I'm going to say that. I think it looks good, but I do. I think it looks good. Let's turn this around. Which standoffs are already in. They're in ATX configuration already. You know what? A knife. Your old mother. Ah! Alright. Line up the holes. Grab the screw. Grab the screw the right way. And run. think I'm only going to put 2 screws on this. I think that's going to do just fine. Looks good. Motherboard. Never really got a chance to look at this thing. But we're gonna get a chance to look at it now. Oh, come on. Come on out of there. Drivers, DVD. It's going to be useless on this computer. That's good information to have. Let's see. Software setup guide. Quick installation guide. Set that over there. SATA cables. I don't know if you can see it. You know what? It's got to come out at some point, so. There's the I/O shield. Now, the light's starting to change. The sun's coming around to the front of the house. Oh, this thing is gorgeous. Try not to touch anything that I shouldn't. What do you think? Take a look at that. A lot of glare in here. The sun's starting to come through the window there. But oh, this thing is looks damn good. Looks real damn good. Push down, and out, and lift up. Ryzen 5 2600. And bada bing. And we have the CPU installed. Look at that. The CPU does come with a fan. Shit on the thermal paste. We're not going to use this fan. I got something else in mind that's coming that we're going to use. So we'll put this fan away. I'm going to go ahead and install the memory. There's no stickers or anything on this that I have to remove, but that's gorgeous. My light is starting to work against me here. Hold on, maybe I can fix this. I guess that's in. It clicked. Just clicked there. RAM installed. This video is taking longer than I expected, but I'm having fun. We're gonna put the M.2 in. One screw. Two screws. And there's a thermal pad on the back. Make sure we peel that before we put that back down. Oh yes. Alright, this goes in. At an angle, correct? My suspicions are right. That's going to be held down by the shield screw. There. M.2 is in play. I'm not sure if I did that right, but I think I did. I believe. No, I don't think. I know I did that right. So I'm going to take a few minutes to clean this up, and I'll be back with you. Alright, well, I still have some daylight left. I'm actually gonna push these aside for now. Push this fan cable aside for now. Just put it up there for now, fine, whatever. Start off with this bad boy. Voila! I/O shield in. Motherboard is in. What'd I do with it? Oh, jeez. I put the screws back in the box. It's alright. Tricks. Little tricks. This lighting kind of sucks right now. If that worked, made things better or worse for me. Yeah, let's see. Better for me, worse for you on the camera. But I have no idea what I'm doing. Those definitely look like the right screws. Oh man, oh man, oh man. So, we're editing this video. We get to the point of getting ready to put the motherboard screws in. The video stops working. Just stops working. I don't know what's going on. It's corrupted. It is what it is. We're going to cut the video here. It's 12:30 in the morning. I hope all these components looked great to you. I like the way it looked. I think we're just gonna end this video. Thanks for stopping by. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe. Catch up on the videos. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good night.